I'm gonna show you guys how to use goniometer to measure the range of motion of wrist extension. So patient's gonna be seated position or supine position, and the axe is gonna be on the side of the process of the owner, which is up here, and then the stationary arm is gonna be aligned with the owner. And if it's hard, you can just put the bolster underneath. And then the moving arm is gonna be aligned with the fist metacarpal. Yep. And then ask him to do the extension. Make sure his arms are not like lifting. Thank you. And then he has about 45-degree